Hey guys, my name is Adeja Driver and this is my science current event. The current event I chose is from DoGo News and it's Could Our Earth Be Causing the Moon to Rust? The website is www.dogonews.com and the standard that I chose related to is obtain, evaluate, and communicate information to model the effects of the position and motion of the Earth and the Moon in relation to the Sun as observed from the Earth. So why is Earth to blame? The only reason scientists believe that Earth could be the cause is because the rust was found on the Earth-facing side of the Moon. The first discovery was made after looking at data from the Indian space program called the Lunar Orbiter. Researchers were pretty shocked by the discovery because the Moon does not have the resources to sustain life. Oxygen and water create rust, so it was a pretty weird discovery considering the Moon has no oxygen and little water. Researchers have seen rust before on Mars, but that was caused by a chemical reaction with iron ore, water, and oxygen from years ago. Our Moon is constantly being bombarded with solar winds, which makes it even harder for rust to accumulate. Although there is some evidence of ice water on the Moon, it just doesn't match the area where the rust was found. Lunar rust is formed through oxidation of the Moon's surface by the oxygen from Earth's upper atmosphere. The content areas I chose to relate it to is ELA. I could give my students a science-related prompt and ask them to write a story or narrative based on the topic. The standard that follows this is the students write narratives to develop real or imagined experience or events using effective technique, descriptive details, and clear event sequences. This is just a composite image that shows the rust on the north and south poles of the Moon. NASA plans to send dozens of instruments and new technology to study the Moon within the next year. This will give them a better look at the rust and to see which way it's coming from. This also means that there are more complex chemical processes that are going on in our solar system. I think it'll just take deeper investigation of the rust to see if it's truly coming from the Earth. These are my sources, and that's it.